The if statements or syntax has three arguments: the logical test, value if true, value if false. The logical test is a condition or statement you are testing for. For example, you could say the content of cell A1 is less than or greater than or equal to a certain number, for example 32. Then you put it in a comma, value if true. This is the result, either a number or a text string you want returned if your condition or statement is true. Then another comma, value if false is the result you want to return if your statement or condition is false. Hi there, thanks for tuning to my channel. My name is Abatan Sherifdin. So in this video, I would love to introduce to you the anatomy of the if statement. But before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel and you love to be a Microsoft Excel Pro with straight to the point tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. And trust me, I'll try my best possible to drop new content just for you. So let's jump to Microsoft Excel and let me introduce to you the anatomy of the if statement. Hi there, welcome back from the short break. So here in Microsoft Excel, I have a very simple data here. Don't worry about it. I came up with this number, so there is no need to be afraid of anything. So in this quiz column, I would love to fill it with a couple of yes or no based on what condition in my temperature column. So to get started, I'll come to this column here, this cell here. I'll type in equals, then if, boom. So you see this guy there comes up. Excel is super smart. It guides you to almost everything. So I have my logical test, as we said, value if true, value if false. So my logical test will be if the temperature in cell G2 is less than 32. I'll put in my comma. I'll move to the value if true. What do I want to return if these conditions is true? I want a yes. I'll put in another comma. I'll move to value if false. What do I want to return if this statement is false? I simply want a no. You see? Then I'll put in a what? A close parenthesis, and I'll hit Ctrl Enter. Boom. You see? You can see here is less than what? Greater than 32. So that is a no. Excel has auto-filled everything down in column for me. This is a new update to the Microsoft Excel. So if your Microsoft Excel is not updated, you won't see this feature. But before that, before the update, all you have to do is what? Click on the autofill undo, and what? It fills it down the row. So let's check it out. If this is true, I come here, I press the F2 on my keyboard. You can see if this temperature here is less than 32, yes or no. This is what? Greater than 32. That's why we have a what? A no return. Let's check here. You see, less than what? Less than 32, yes or no. What do you have returned? We have a yes return. Let's check here also. Less than 32, yes or no. What do you have returned? This is less than 32. We have what? A yes return. What about this one? You can see. So this is working. The formula is working perfectly well. So this is it. This is basic introduction to what? To the anatomy of the if statement. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and let me know how you feel about this content in the comment section. And is there any Excel tutorial you would love me to make for you, or any problem you're facing in Microsoft Excel? Put it in the comment section. I will find my way on my busy schedule to create a content just for you. Please subscribe, share, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.